Howdy y'all, Tom here. Today we're working on the Rockstar, getting the top put on it. Check this guy out, huh? Oh, this is the Wrangler top or CJ7 top, so it's extra long. It looks like it's a little short though. Looks like 6 inches short. Gonna have to build something across here to hook that to. Yeah, she don't fit right. But, you know, story of my life. We'll get her though. One way or another, we'll have this sucker together. Oh, well, she ain't gonna look too bad with the two-tone. Not horrible. Oh, one little issue I'm having here is getting the doors lined up. See, the window don't kick back quite far enough. I don't know why. I mean, but it is what it is. So, I got the door right here. Check that out, huh? Oh, we put this door up here. Maybe I can hold this sucker. All right. So, if I get the back all lined up and the top lined up, look at that angle right there, huh? That ain't look right? So, I mean, look how far I have to kick that back on an angle to work. That's quite a ways, people. So that ain't happening. So we're gonna figure out how to make that work one way or another. But I'll figure it out. I wish someone already did this so I can learn how they did it all wrong and do it right. But instead, I gotta do it all wrong and then do it right, so you people can do it right next time. So, all right. That's what she's gonna look like. Look, not too shabby. Front fit's good. Check these out. I got these doors I bought. So I go online, I'm looking for doors and hinges or hinges. Well, the hinges are over $100 for this thing, and latches and everything. It was $200 with the doors. So I figured, good to go. If they don't fit, make them fit. They don't fit at all. So that's a whole nother project there. Snow's on its way, and I got to get this sucker done. I'm tired of wrenching on it. I want a 4-wheel. So, look at the back there. Well, that angle ain't right. Oh, that ain't working. Check the front out here. Look at that angle. It's about, let's say it's about right there. It's closer, but it ain't right. And it's too long too. So both the angles are wrong and it's too long. So basically, I'm still gonna use it. I'll make it work. So we gotta take this and bring that back about an inch. Piece of cake, you know, just notch this out, notch that, bend it over, weld it all up, cut that off, no problem. And then this guy comes back on a pretty good angle. This is gonna have to be straight up and down. So I'll have to notch that, cut this out, take a piece out of there, pop that up, weld her up. You get the idea. It's not rocket science. So I'll probably make a cardboard template, put it up there, figure it all out right, lay it on there, draw it out, do her up. That's least of my concerns. We'll have that done in no time. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna get this top put on here. It's gonna take me like 2-3 days to figure this sucker out. Once I get it all mounted on there, come back on and show you all how I did it. So, all right, y'all have a good one.